Sarap, diba? How would you rate? Let's go!
Walking around, strolling the Hong Kong, that's our hotel.
That's all?
Nabutek eh? Nabulol na. So,
What's up?
so we are walking right now and we are going to
Chongwan Waterfront Seaside Walk Park
and it's 800 meter
from here.
So the weather is nice.
Just ate at KFC.
The weather is nice, but the humidity is
There. It is there.
ang lagkit ng hangin. Anyways, Hong Kong. And this, ano natin? Crown Plaza, and then your
Nag-get run over.
okay guys, see you later, bye.
Numbers na lang ang naiintindihan ko dito.
Okay guys, update, so we are 6 minutes away in our destination.
Steps kaya tayo today.
Then you see, puro mga high-rise building ang bahay dito. So hindi katulad sa atin na puro village, dito ay puro ganun.
High-rise.
Parang yung hairline ko, high-rise na. Tago muna natin. Tago muna natin guys. Nag-high-rise na rin. Okay? See you soon. Ay, see you soon.
Look at the mountain, oh.
Okay. So you can see the doon kami pupunta. Ay, di ba? So,
Ano tayo sa seaside? Kasi malapit na sa seaside.
may isda kami.
May isda.
Kaya wala tirahin mamaya. Isda.
Tapos,
Pampano. Anyway,
popcorn din, oh. Popcorn din. Sa Chongwan.
see you guys pagdating namin sa may park.
Chongwan.
Okay guys. Ay, teka lang ito.
Grabe, yun na.
Grabe yung filter. But let's go. So, sa akin para may taka. So, nandito na kami sa ano to?
Seaside.
Seaside Park.
Wow, ang ganda guys. Ganda ba yung
Yeah.
seaside? Ano yung kita nila?
Yun. Hindi ka kita.
Kita yung ano, yung
Yun.
you know yung bridge? Kita nila
Yeah.
yung bridge.
Yeah, they can see it.
Literally, you can
Look.
see the bridge.
So, paano manhin nyo yung aking filter? Like, pusyang-pusya ako dito.
Teka, ano ko sa akin. Yan.
Yan, ikaw na mag-hawak. Pwede kita na.
Bridge.
Itong kapila.
So, saan tayo? Dito? Dito tayo?
Ito na lang muna tayo sa may ilog.
O sige.
Kasi mainit pa dun eh.
Yung, ayan, nakita nila yung dagat eh.
Yun, mainit-init.
Mainit dito.
Oo. Yan, ang ganda.
Supposed to be meron dapat typhoon when we went here, but look at this weather. Like the sun is out, the sky is like Well, not at this part. May clouds. But yeah. Agad ikaw.
No, sakto lang. So, ang ganda
Yung
dito,
mga
guys.
bridge.
Yun. Init. Hanap kami ng hindi mainit na
Okay.
space.
Tara.
Tara.
Saan?
I don't know. So, nakahanap kami ng place na medyo may shed. So, nandito kami ngayon. So, look at the view. So, we have
namin to.
a cute little moshi over here.
And then,
yeah, the mountain, the bridge,
the
and the
mountain.
sea, and the high-rise building. You know, it's nice. Warm, mainit. Mahangin. Malakit ang hangin, but it's nice. So, hi guys. Nakahanap kami ng mauupuan na may lilong, but it's still mainit ang hangin. And yeah, look at that view. See?
Ganda mo.
Yeah, may nagsiswimming ditong
Ay, oo nga, no. Meron
Moshi.
siyang ano. May water.
and the building, the ocean, and look at there. Yeah. Can you see it? It's a nice view. So, tambay muna kami dito sa Get